How to use file management techniques on iPhone. Ever feel like your iPhone storage is a cluttered jungle? Don't worry, we've all been there. This video equips you with file management techniques to transform your iPhone into an organized oasis. Finding photos, documents, and downloads can feel like an expedition through a digital wilderness. Let's bring order to the chaos. The Files app is your key to conquering the iPhone storage jungle. It's the central hub for all your files, documents, and downloads. Open the Files app, which looks like a blue folder icon. Conquering the clutter in 3 steps. Locations matter. The Files app shows various locations for your files. On my iPhone, stores files downloaded directly to your phone, and cloud services like iCloud Drive or Dropbox might also appear. The folder frenzy. Don't let loose files wander. Create folders to categorize your documents, photos, and downloads. Tap New Folder at the top right and give it a descriptive name. And the fill-in frenzy. Move files into their designated folders. Tap and hold the file and select Move to choose the destination folder. Need to move multiple files? No problem. You can tap Select at the top right corner and tap on each file you want to move and choose Move to its new home. Tap and hold the file to access quick actions like rename, duplicate, or delete. With these file management techniques, you can transform your iPhone storage from a jungle into an organized oasis. Remember to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.